we need to talk. I wake up every morning, there's coffee on the countertop, there's coffee on the floor, and there's a stain on the carpet. We need to fix this. What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today we are going to be talking about channeling. Channeling is something that it's a disaster, it's a mess, and it's sometimes an inconvenience when you're in a hurry. So what is channeling? Channeling is when water finds its way through a path of least resistance. So you often see shots like this. Now this shot could just be not only bad to look at, but really hard to clean up. It definitely is, like I said, an inconvenience when you're in a hurry. So now we're gonna dive right into puck prep. Puck prep is going to be a series of events that's going to lead to a nice looking extraction in your end result. So let's get on with puck prep. First, you're gonna start by placing your portafilter, then you're gonna add your porta paper, then you're going to get it a little bit wet just so that way it's nice and it sits flush into your basket. Then you're gonna add your coffee grounds. We're gonna use a method called WDT, where you're gonna use needles to break up any clumps that might be in the basket, which could lead to channeling. Next, you are going to distribute, which is gonna give you a nice level and even bed for you to tamp. Next, you are going to tamp the coffee grounds. You're gonna wanna be careful with this step. You're gonna wanna make sure that it's as level as possible, as if you do have it a little bit off level, you will notice that you're gonna have some more channeling, because when there is a slant in the puck, then you're going to get water that's going to find the path of least resistance, which is going to lead to channeling. Once you've finished this series of steps, you're gonna get a shot like this. And as you remember in the earlier part of the video, the first shot looked like this. So as you can see, if you just follow these 5 easy steps in puck prep, you're gonna get a nicer looking extraction every time. My name's Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.